and gentlemen, welcome to the opposite. What are we going to talk about in this episode? Yeah, well, last days were very crazy, some weird things going to happen, kindly correction, crash, whatever we will call it. We'll see what it is happening, and let's go through all this. I will show you, or better not me, I shortly forgot. Today I will announce you my new colleague. My new colleague is called Yado, and Yado is, he speaks very friendly English. Maybe not the best way, but he can do it. And he will be the new face of the opposite. Yeah, well, I will be gone and he will be the face. So you also have something to see, someone to see. So good. We will show you mostly the best performing, or better say not the best performing, the biggest crypto projects in crypto space. So well, let's start. Let me show you Yado. So Yado will be announced in 3, 2, 1. So welcome. Hello, my name is Yado and I will be the new face of the opposite. Well, right, you got that. I will give my best, and I would say let's start straight into it. Small talk can be between. Is that okay for you? Thank you. So let's go. So start straight on to CoinGecko. There we see our most amazing cryptos. We have a nice list which is ordered by market cap, the rankings. So there you can see there is Bitcoin, the biggest performer. Let's have a look on it. What is Bitcoin telling us? Bitcoin was kindly above $58,000 already, so it dipped pretty hard, pretty much. To give them the thumb ups, I would say, the performance are pretty well. Looks very nice all over here. Having a look on the 7 days chart. So there we see we were around 7 days ago, we were around the same space kindly, $49,000. Now we are also in the same kindly range. We're at $15,000. The dip was kindly very hard. More than $7,000 are dumped all over in, let's say the last 24 hours. But that's not bad, at least. This is just a correction, in my opinion. Let's have a look on the 180 days chart, so we will see some similar. Like you can see it here. We were there at $40,000 and we had a dump. What was the low point? Like you can see, 10,000. This means 25% fall over this crypto. So, and it had a movement time of 8th January till 28th of January. So 20 days movement for this dip. And there we see from 28th of January till 22nd of February, we had great and amazing times at least. This is pretty good, but like you all know, these are even though 20 days, 24 days kindly, let's say, and 24 days of a run like this need some correction at least. And that's what it is. So what are you seeing here? So at least it's very nice to see that. So I will do myself down a little bit, only that you can see a little bit more of the screen behind me. I forgot, I'm sorry, but like you know, I'm new in this job and I am only digital. Hope you see me, hope you are happy with me, at least. Like you can see here, very nice movements. Like you can see the growth, it's only a half year and these movements were kindly crazy. So pretty cool, very amazing. So I would say let's go our next ones to see what are they doing. The next ones will be Ethereum. Ethereum is the number 2 by market cap. Like you see, $1,600, not too bad. The dip, kindly well, a pretty hard dip at least. I will give them also the thumb up, and there you can see in the 7 days chart. What do you see? The dip looks stronger because over the 7 days the dip was more as the price range were before the 7 days. So it were around $1,700, $800, and now we dipped down to $1,600. So very nice, but also very hard movements. And like you see, between 1,700 and 1,800 we were for kindly a week in an accumulation. So what does this mean to us? This only means the correction that needed to be is already done. No, this will be not the dip. I think there will be a little bit more down. Having a look on $2,000, 25%. This means the dip should be around $1,400 at least to $1,500. That will be the lowest point. In my opinion, everything is possible, but that's what I learned from the man behind the screens. Okay, yeah, let's go to our next ones. It's the number 3, and for this episode it will be the last ones, because we told the top 3 by market cap. $241. So this dip was not too bad for now, especially if you look for how massive this was grown. They get definitely the thumb up, especially for Binance Smart Chain. I love it. The investing there is pretty nice, works pretty well, and is doing great. Let's have a just straight up to the 14 days chart. Like you can see, price range was $92 14 days ago, and now we were more than 3 times of this price range at 20th of February. 3 times in kindly 10 days. Isn't this crazy? I love crypto space. These movements are only can be there. And now kindly like up 3-4 days later we dipped $100 at least. This is not too bad. There can't be much more the possibility, especially because this hard move, so 3 times in just 10 days, this is crazy. So this correction needed to be, and we'll see where it ends. I think we will bottom out at $200 at least, so also not too bad for early investors. We'll see where we go. I think that the bull is not over for now, especially because Binance Smart Chain has already started kindly, so these many projects that are behind that are not even in a big movement till now. Yeah, well, they perform very well, but there is much more behind. They can do much more. Look for the user base. There's so short for now, and there's much more possible. So, well, having a short look over the top 10, just only for showing. So there you see top 10, from 10 to 1 down, Bitcoin Cash. Number 9 is Chainlink, like you know, the Oracle. For now, it's the big boss. It's like Ethereum in the smart chains is Chainlink for the Oracle. But I think there are many competitors right on the way, and they have some pretty good solutions. So we'll see what is happening at least. Number 8, Litecoin. Number 7 is XRP. I think in the next half year, XRP will be out of the top 10. This coin's performing and doing kindly nothing in my opinion, so very hard life for him. Number 6 is Cardano. There is much more behind, and there can't be much more. Like you see, $1. A year ago, no one thought that there will be ever $1, but I think there will be more than $1. This will go up to $2, maybe also $3. This is a massive project with enough power to rock this space. Polkadot, it's an underdog. It was an underdog, and it moved pretty fast and pretty hard. Tether, like you know, stablecoin moves, always lovely. Many people like it. I can understand it. When the market's starting to get too volatile, you can jump on it, and you know you will be not losing too much at least. This is very nice. Binance Coin has some, let's say, pretty good movements. Very nice. And I think it's also not over. The price range can go up to $1,000. This is very possible. You saw what happened in kindly 10 days, and we have more. We have, let's say, a year for a bull run. So the space up is much bigger, and there can be also much more. Ethereum, I'm very surprised if Ethereum will pass $5,000 this year. I don't know, everything is possible. It can be also that it walks down to $1,000 because of this big competition that already is right behind it. And the last one's Bitcoin, the flagship of crypto space. Like, you know, the moment when Bitcoin will be hit by one of these other projects is far in the future. I think that takes a lot of time to be happening, but don't say never. It will be definitely, because it's only like, let's say gold, and gold is just gold, so Bitcoin is just Bitcoin. And some other projects are really going in through use case utility, so they have something, and many other projects. And also I hope for one project in this year to be in top 10. Maybe BitDAO will check it. We'll see what's happening. At least the digital euro is a very great project, I think, and they can rock it. And also with the token bridges, they do pretty well as far as I know. And we'll see when they launch the public testnet. At least everything can be. And after launching testnet, it's not long anymore for mainnet, at least maybe in half year, I think. So if they launch now, this year will be also mainnet, and this would mean something very massive. That was just my way of using crypto, and I hope you take the look from the opposite. Having a nice day. Bye.